Now I'm doing another measurement experiment, and I've got two reverse blockouts. This one here is the OEM housing for the 6-speed with the original parts from the Matrix or Corolla transmission. Alright, so it has the plunger and spring from the Matrix. This one is the MWR complete blockout. And what I wanted to know is there any real difference between the two? So the way I did it, and I can't really demonstrate it because I wish I had three hands, then I would, but what I did is I used this socket to push this down all the way, and then while it's pushed down with the other hand, I can measure the depth of the depression using my caliper. Okay, so just this extends down, I can measure it. So with the uh, blockout that I constructed, the the depression comes out to exactly 9 millimeters. Alright, and then if I do the same thing with the MWR and I depress it, then measure it, in that case the depression comes up to exactly 12 millimeters. So there is 3 millimeters of difference between the two. So they are actually different, right? And the MWR allows 3 extra millimeters of travel, but that's not enough. Now I gotta figure out what to do. I'm gonna keep the MWR blockout intact and return it. There's no point in doing anything with it. And I'm gonna modify my own blockout. What I'm gonna do, this means I'm gonna take the circlip out and remove the plunger and the spring. Then I'm gonna shorten the plunger by at least 3 millimeters. That would make it equal to the MWR, or maybe an additional 3 millimeters or 5 millimeters, right? So total 8 millimeters, and just hope for the best. Okay, so that's what we're going to do, and I'll give you an update later.